Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to do another, just some more implicit derivative examples. Particularly, we're going to do this one. Okay. We're going to do this. Here we go. So sine of y plus x squared y equals 10. The procedure for these problems is always the same, unless of course they ask you to find the derivative with respect to y. Then you do d by dy instead of d by dx. So we're going to apply the derivative operator d by dx to both sides. And remember, we're assuming this. We're assuming y is some function of x that we don't know. Okay? Which means every time that we encounter y, we're going to have to do dy dx. Okay. So here we go. So if I apply the derivative operator to the left-hand side, chain rule. So the outermost function in this first term is sine. The derivative of sine is cosine. Leave the inside the same, and then once you do that, go inside, right? Inside the sine is y. I'm taking a derivative with respect to x. So I'm going to have dy dx here. And then plus, and now this is a product, x squared times y. So, let's see, I'm gonna do this one without writing the product rule this time. I've written it every other time. Let's see if we can follow it without me writing it down. So we're going to take the derivative of the first piece, which is 2x. We're going to leave the second piece alone. And then plus, we're going to leave the first piece alone, and then take the derivative of the second piece, which is y. And remember, we're doing d by dx. So this will be dy dx. Awesome. Okay. And then over here, derivative of 10, nothing. Okay. So just like before, every term that has dy dx, we're going to put on one side, and every term that doesn't have a dy dx, we're going to put on the other side, because we're trying to find the derivative. So we get cosine y dy dx plus x squared dy dx. And then, yeah, I'm going to subtract 2xy from both sides, so I'll have negative 2xy over here after I subtract 2xy from both sides. On the left-hand side now, two terms, both containing dy dx. I'm going to factor dy dx from both terms on the left-hand side, leaving cosine y plus x squared equals negative 2xy. Okay. And we're solving for dy dx now. So I'm going to divide both sides by the factor to the right of dy dx. So cosine y plus x squared. I'm going to divide by that over here as well. Boom, boom. And we wind up with dy dx equals negative 2xy over cosine y plus x squared. So there's that. Another implicit example. I wonder if there's anything we can do. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to leave this here. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.